So I've been gone. I've been out of town for like 3.5 weeks. I was in the Pacific Northwest and I'm back. Josh was with me for one of the weeks, but he's been working on the house while I've been gone. Just went grocery shopping, gonna take him lunch and see the improvements that he's made on the house. Let's take a look. I took the appliances out. Ooh, cabinets are down, countertops out. Awesome. I know that he was able to use quite a bit of the overheads for the laundry room as well as in the shop. And I'm not sure if we're going to use these at all in the bathroom for the vanities. We've talked about it. I'm not sure if it's going to happen, but this already feels so much brighter in here. Just having those overheads gone. Dang. That is fantastic. Ooh, I see changes in the bedroom. Okay. Yay! So nice. So nice. Ooh! Bonus. Okay. Looks like he's just gonna keep working. All right. Oh, yeah, buddy. So, ta-da! Here's the grand reveal. Closet was here. It still is gonna be, but we're eliminating that door and this door, and then that'll be the door going into the bathroom, and then bathroom into oh my word, closet. Words are hard when you've been traveling so much. So let's see if I can figure out what he's done. Took out the shelf. We're gonna utilize that in a shelf we're gonna utilize that shelf in a different closet in one of the smaller bedrooms. So door is gonna go here. I think we're doing a pocket door just to save space. And then vanity is gonna go here. And then toilet is there. That's the toilet flange in the floor. And then windows staying in the same place. And then I think we're putting in just a shower is what we decided. Because we have a tub shower combo in the other bathroom. So it doesn't feel like we absolutely need a tub in this one. So I'm pretty sure that's just gonna be a shower, a walk-in. And so tub was here, and he had a jackhammer up the floors. I can put photos of that in here because he was awesome and knows that I like progress photos and sent them to me. So shower is gonna go on that wall. Hi. Hi. He jackhammered out, I think, toilet, or at least he got a flange that's going to move it closer to the wall, because if you remember, there was a huge gap between the back of the toilet and the wall there. Don't understand why, but thankfully it'll be closer. And yeah, I think it's going to feel a little bit more spacious this way. I hope. And yeah, I'll probably do some little built-in somewhere. I'm thinking maybe even some stuff up top above the door, because it's a pretty small bathroom, so at least use that height. So exciting, very exciting. Josh found some work with our neighbors, so this is kind of on hold right now, which is nice because it gives me a chance to catch up on editing video, and then I can actually do some work too. I can do some of the painting. And yes, okay, so shower wall. Yep, perfect. Awesome. So I need to figure out paint colors ASAP and scrape ceilings and stuff. So there's other stuff I can do while he builds some cabinets for our neighbors. Thank you to our neighbors who I have yet to meet. I will be in your house tomorrow painting your cabinets, so I'll meet you then. Anyways, let's see if there's anything else that's changed. Oh, there is one thing I know that changed. This is very sad. Our peach tree got blown over. We had a really big storm, and I showed a photo of it to my friend Peggy, who was an orchardist back in Oregon, and she says that one, since it was so weighed down with peaches, it of course was really heavy. Sorry there, little birdie. And also just how they cut the tree left it weak. They just didn't do like a good job, the previous owners, where they decided to cut it. So it just, oh, it smells so good. I want to cry. Oh, it smells like peach pie, you guys. So yeah, it was just weak, couldn't handle it. Ugh. I'm so bummed. Mom says that she tried to harvest some. They weren't quite ripe yet, so she was letting them ripen, and it just didn't work. So unfortunately, it's a total loss. And we are now the ghetto neighbors with tub and toilets on the porch. I don't think anything else has changed back here. Nope. Nope. I thought we were going to put it in there. It's not. Oh! So here's the shelf that was in the closet. Looks like he was able to get it out in one piece. That's nice. And I think we'll put that in the bedroom, like the front bedroom. Okay, we're gonna call it good. Signing off. Bye.